We hope everyone has been doing well. Harvard Diggins Library staff have been working hard to make sure Summer Reading Club is ready to go for our patrons. We're excited to announce that we'll be using a service called Beanstack to track summer reading. The programs for children, teens, and adults will have all of the logging, raffle tickets, and prizes on the Beanstack platform. We're creating this video to help guide you through how to sign up for Summer Reading Club on Beanstack and how to use the features of the program and app. You can use Beanstack on any web browser or via the mobile app. Many of you will prefer to use the Beanstack mobile app, which will function similarly as the web version shown here, but has additional features such as the ability to scan the barcode on the back of the book you're reading as an easy way to log your books. For this tutorial, I will instruct how to use the web version. To sign up, you'll need to visit our website at www.harvard-diggins.org and follow the link to the Beanstack site, which will look like this. For your first time signing up, you'll need to create an account and click on the link here that says sign up for free. One of the many great things about Beanstack is that families only need to create and track one reading on one account. So you only need to register with one email, but everybody's accounts, all the kids, will be on one account. You're more than welcome to register individually, but it just makes it easier for some families to track everything on one account. If you've never used Beanstack before, you'll need to create an account. We'll click on Register an Individual or Family. And then we say, no, we have not used Beanstack before. This is our first time and we'll have to create an account. If you're only registering your child, you can click I'm an adult registering for a child, but remember there is a program and prize opportunities for adults too. So I highly encourage you to register yourself as well by clicking on I'm registering for myself. You'll still have the opportunity to add your other family members when you click on I'm registering for myself. So you'll need to give us some information about yourself. It's important that you fill this out completely. That way we have ways to contact you if you're a prize winner at the conclusion of the program. If anyone here is a fan of the show Bob's Burgers, I'm going to register the Belcher family for Summer Reading Club as an example. We'll start with Bob Belcher. As an adult, Bob is going to register for the Adult Summer Reading Program. As soon as you complete registration, you'll automatically earn one raffle ticket that you can enter in any of the drawings, which I'll discuss later. So now that I filled out Bob's information, I'm going to click on Next. And you'll want to select a reading challenge to participate in. So the one we're looking for the adults is this Adult Summer Reading Club 2020. We'll click on Register Challenge. And you can see you earned your raffle ticket for registration. And we'll get into the raffle tickets in the drawing later in the video. So click on Next. And Linda Belcher is not going to participate, so we will not add another adult. But we will be adding a child, so we'll say yes. So we're going to register Tina Belcher for the Teen Summer Reading Program. So now I've entered Tina's information. She's going to be entering the teen program. She's 14 years old. I'm going to click on Next. So the prompt comes up to register her for the teen program. Since it took her age 14, that means that she belongs in the teen program. We're going to click on Register. And it'll ask her grade level. So she's 14. We'll say she's going to be a freshman, so 9th grade. And then Register. So there we see Tina earned her raffle ticket for registering. We'll click on Next. And yes, we want to add another child. Jean wants to register, Jean Belcher. Okay, I've typed in Jean's information, so we're going to click on Next. And we'll register him for the Kids Summer Reading 2020 program. And so I said Gene was 10, so we'll say he's going to be in 5th grade. And Gene earned his raffle ticket. So we'll close that. And click on Next. So I'm finished adding the children. So I'm going to say no. And we're all set up to go. Now we'll get into how to log books and participate in the program. So adults will be logging each book they read. Children will log minutes, and teens will log books and write reviews. On the upper left corner, we have this drop-down arrow that shows which reader we're currently logging books for. We'll select Gene so we can see into the kids program, Gene Belcher. So here's the home page for the kids program. So as you read and complete minute milestones, you'll earn badges. You can see these logging badges for every milestone you meet. So there's badges once you read an hour and 40 minutes, 3 hours and 20 minutes total, 5 hours. And once you get to 10 hours, you win this final badge here. To track your reading, you'll go up to this button here that says Log Reading and Activities. We select the reader, so we're already on Gene's, and we will log minutes. So the kids will be logging their reading minutes. Just what we do is select the days. So today is May 13th. You type out the time spent reading, so 1H for 1 hour, 33M for 33 minutes, or 1H 33M for 1 hour and 33 minutes. So we'll say Gene read 30 minutes today, so that would be 30M. It's not a requirement to put the title and author, but you can if you want to track that. And we'll say log. And let's say yesterday, Gene read for 2 hours. So 2H. Read a lot yesterday, but not so much today. And we'll log that. Now we can see because he read a lot the past 2 days, he earned his badge, Dream Machine, for reading 1 hour and 40 minutes, and he earned a raffle ticket. So we're finished logging. We'll close that out. So the kids can also earn extra badges and raffle tickets by completing and logging independent activities. So as an example, we can click on log reading, and the way you would log these activities is the same way that you would log the reading, except you click here on activities. And you can see which activities you would log. So some of these include building a fort, go out for a walk, listen to the one and only Ivan family read aloud, which there will be more information about these more specific badges coming. So if we watched the storytime video, we can click that we've completed it, and we earned this badge called Show and Tell and another raffle ticket. Close that out. You can click on these tabs to see your progress. You can see the badges for the entire challenge, the badges you can earn by logging, the badges that you could earn for completing the activities, and the ones that you have earned. So let's switch to Tina's account and take a look at the teen program. Go back to this drop down, and where it says Gene, we'll click on Tina. Here's the homepage for the teen program. To complete the program, the teens will read 10 books and complete 9 activities. This will function very similarly to the kids program, except we won't be logging minutes, we will be logging books. So when we log our books, once again, we'll say today, Tina read 1 book. You don't have to put the title and author, but you can if you want to keep track of it. We'll say Tina read The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And that's completed, so we'll click on log. And Tina earned her first badge for reading a book and a raffle ticket. So we'll close that out. So teens can also earn extra raffle tickets for activities. We go to the activity badges tab here. You can see which ones you can log. There are these activities called Teen Try. You can try new things from the library, like learning a new language on Mango Languages, or grabbing one of the craft kits that we'll have available, reading a magazine on RB Digital, taking a virtual museum or zoo tour, or participating in our Beyond the Book discussion that will happen during the summer. So let's switch to Bob's account and take a look at the adult program. The adult program, again, is very similar to the teen program. The adults will log reading by book titles and earn 1 raffle ticket for every book they read. You could earn a free book once you've finished logging 10 books. So you can see the logging badges here, all the way through 10 books. For adults that want to read beyond the 10 books, they could also earn the Bookworm badge for reading 15 books and the Master badge for reading 20 books for our avid readers. Once again, adults can earn extra badges and raffle tickets by completing activities. So for the adults, you can grab a craft kit. You can participate in one of our live webinars on Zoom, such as planning a Disney vacation, removing invasive plants, tracing your home's history. You can click on each of these for more information. This Dig Deeper badge has a few activities attached to it. You can earn bonus raffle tickets by completing 4 of these activities. So there's a list of activities, such as finding your vehicle repair manual in Chilton, or browsing the old newspapers on the website. So as you earn raffle tickets, you can visit this ticket drawings tab on any one of the readers' accounts. And you can see how many tickets you have to use, how many raffle tickets you've earned. And you can enter them into the drawings for the gift cards. So all of the prizes will be gift cards for local businesses. And you can scroll to see which ones are available. We have Advance Auto for the adults, Funk's Place, Burger King, Chinatown. So Bob is going to add his 1 ticket to the Ace, towards the Ace Hardware gift card. He would like to try and win that. Click 1 and enter the ticket. And so he's entered the drawing for the Ace Hardware gift card. Now let's say Bob decided that he doesn't want to try for that prize anymore. He wants to put his tickets towards something else, like Culver's. He hasn't gotten enough burgers, apparently. What we could do is subtract tickets from Ace. Make it 0. And so we still have one more ticket, so we can put it elsewhere and add it to Culver's. Add one to Culver's. And the kids also have similar setup for ticket drawings. We can go to Gene. Gene earned a lot of tickets so far. So he has 3 tickets to spend. So if he wants to put them all towards Bravo's, he could certainly do so. Or he could add 2 and enter. And then add 1 ticket to Burger King. He has 1 ticket left. So that's how you enter the raffle this year. So we're very excited for everyone to get involved with Beanstack this year. More information about online activities for each age level will be available soon. Don't forget there are many ways to read online with Overdrive, Libby, RB Digital, and Tumblebook Library. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us with a Facebook message, email, or phone call.